Problem 63, we want to figure out the sum of the integers from 100 to 1,000. So the first one would be 100 plus 101 plus 102 plus ... plus 1,000. That's the sum we're looking for. So t of n for this one would be first term plus 1 times n minus 1. That'd be my t of n equation. To figure out the number of terms, at first glance, some people might go and say, there's 900 terms here. Not so fast. So I put a 1,000 over here equals 100 plus 1 times n minus 1. By the way, I don't need a 1 outside of there because 1 times n minus 1 is just n minus 1. So now I'm going to move the 100 over, and I'm going to end up getting 900 equals n minus 1. So n is actually 901. So I have 901 terms. So now that I have that piece of information, I can go through and take my first term plus my last term times 901 over 2. Using the old calculating device, I get the sum to equal 495,000. That is a horrible 5. 95,550. And there you go.